Let me show you how to get this gorgeous blonde brunette blend. This is what we're going to need for the blend today. Oil sheen and a detangling brush. Now over to the hair. We'll need 140 grams of color 613A or 613, 170 grams of color 8, 120 grams of color 4, and 50 grams of color 1 or 1B. I'll also be adding this mix that I did of equal parts of color 4 and 8. Before I start blending, I like to prep each bundle of hair individually by spritzing with oil sheen and brushing through thoroughly. And once I've done so for each individual color and I have laid them out, I now begin. I will start with color 8 and 613A. I like to blend two colors at a time, or three max, just so it's not overwhelming and I can get a nice deep blend. As you can see, the process is basically just splitting the hair and layering it and brushing through until you get your desired result. At this point, I am happy to stop here. I will do the rest of the 613A and 8 off camera. Isn't this just beautiful? Next is color 4 and 1. I am going to mix these two together just as I have done the 613A and 8. Once it is mixed to my liking, I will stop and move on to the next combination. This is what it looks like. Very subtle but very pretty. I will then mix this with the 4 and 8 and excuse my voice guys. I have come down with a bit of a sore throat, so my voice is a little bit cracky. Okay, this is what you get. Very pretty. I will now split that into 4 bundles, and to the 4 bundles I will add the 613A and 8 mix. But first let me clean my brush. This is how much hair I have lost, and let's now do the final blend. This is what we are putting together. I will do the usual spray spray spray, brush brush brush, and this is what you get. It's really pretty, but I want something a bit more blended, so I go in a little bit more and this is what you get. A deep blend, but you can still see the contrast from the individual colors. This is how much hair I lost all together. It's not too bad guys, and just look at this, so beautiful. Let me know what you think.